Chance Phillips tutorial on how to find an exhaust leak. Let me go back here and show you what we got going on. The shop vac hooked up and blowing air in the exhaust was putting pressure to the whole system. And you come back up here and you get a spray bottle and you spray for bubbles, but in this instance I didn't need to spray because I could feel it coming out back here on the headers. Good work.